The boat pose, also known as Navasana, is one of the most known exercises to strengthen your core. The body comes into a V shape, balancing entirely on the buttocks. In different variations and traditions, the arms, legs and torso may take different positions. A great way to prepare for this pose is by warming up your core and body in general and to do, for example, yoga poses like downward facing dog. The benefits of boat pose are that it tones and strengthens your abdominal muscles, improves balance, stretches your hamstrings, and strengthens your spine and hip flexors. How to do a half boat pose. To come into the pose, begin seated on the floor. Bend your knees, bringing the soles of the feet to the ground, and bring the palms to the back of the thighs. Begin to lean back as you shift your weight from your feet, eventually lifting the soles of the feet off the ground. Balance on the sitting bones, not leaning right back onto the tailbone. Lengthen the spine to broaden and lift the chest. Your arms and hands are parallel to the floor. Your knees are bent and your feet are flexed for half boat pose.